There's a video internet is circulating around. The guy, he bought the car cash and he found out someone installed tracker or GPS, and he bought the car from Toyota dealer. In this video I want to give you a couple hints, couple tips how you can find tracker in your car. First, why they install tracker. Basically the main reason Toyota or other company they install tracker, if you owe money, if you are finance the car. But the guy, he bought the cash. I don't know the reason why he installed the tracker, but maybe they installed tracker or GPS on all Toyotas because they have assumption. So most people, they want to finance a car because we don't have much people. They have a lot of cash saved in their bank so they can buy a car cash. Maybe that's assumption with the Toyota. But why then they do that, and how you can find out? First of all, from 1996, especially for Toyotas, after 1996, all the cars produced by Toyota, they have a specific color for the OBD connector, and all of them should be white. Go look at underneath your dash and see if that color is same. If it's white, that's fine. If it's not white, it's black, something is going on. Someone installed tracker. That guy in this video, he explained it, but he didn't mention the color because he may not know. He's not a mechanic. But as a person, I worked in the used car dealership and buy here, pay here dealership, and we used to sell a lot of cars to people with a bad credit, and we had to install tracker. That was one of my job. Every day, all day, I had to install tracker. Why they install it to the OBD connector? The first question you ask. That's simple, because it's very obvious and easy to install, but that's not the main reason. Because the OBD connector have a consistent 12-volt battery. Connector and the tracker and GPS, they need to have a consistent 12-volt battery in order to operate day and night. If you're looking for GPS and tracker under your seat or in a trunk or somewhere, make sure to look the places they have a consistent 12-volt battery all the time, even when the car is off. Because OBD connectors, they have one wire, they have 12-volt battery all the time, regardless if the car is running or the car is off. We have a lot of components in the car they operate the same way. Yes, that's why they install it to the OBD connector. And if the color is different, just chase it, remove the panel, or take it to the shop. Sometimes in new GPS they have a lifetime battery, or batteries can last long, in a couple years, like a TPMS battery. TPMS battery, it's a sensor inside your tire pressure monitoring system. They have a battery can last 4 or 5 years, and they can sell tracker or GPS with the same battery. They install it or they hide it anywhere inside your car, and it's impossible for you to find it. You can take it to the local mechanic shop and ask them if they have a device, because there is a device. You can check your car if there is any tracker inside the car. That device will find it for you. That's another thing. But most of the time, because make the job easier, they install it near the battery. They install the connector to the battery directly because there is consistent power, or they would install it to the OBD connector, or they install it around the fuse box. We used to do that all the time, and we were installing it directly to the starter if that starter was kind of available to do that. We installed it directly to the starter, and those GPS that we installed it had the option you could turn it off, basically cut off the starting point, and no one could start it if they were missing the payment or they're not willing to make a payment during the time. That was the things that we did. And if you one day you see your car is not starting and you realize, oh, you missed 2 payments or 3 payments, they're not going to do it in the first payment. You just find out, oh, someone tracking you, and someone disabled starting option in your car with the GPS and track. And if you go and look at the car, and if that OBD connector is different color, make sure someone did not install the GPS tracker in your car, because if they do it, they can monitor you wherever you go. They can find you, they can repo the car, and if you paid cash, there's no reason you have that in the car. Take it out, remove it, cut it out, because it's totally illegal. There's no reason for them to follow you. Yes, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching in this video, and if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in next